Hey guys, Dusty with High Tech. Just want to share an experience with you. So hopefully this might be able to help someone in the future, but just give you the rundown scenario of what happened with this vehicle and what we did to fix it. Um, Initially, I guess the locksmith this was an all lost keys situation, and they went out there to recover the data, make another key. However, when they recovered the data, it actually scrambled it. So the data was no good to be used. At that point, the locksmith gave up, took it to the dealer. The dealer ordered a brand new Kessy and tried to program it in. However, according to Volkswagen or Bentley, they basically said for you to program a new Kessy, you need to have functioning keys already, steering lock, everything has got to be functioning in the system to program one new module in. So for you to program keys, you need to have functioning Kessy and steering lock. Program a Kessy, you need to have functioning keys and steering lock. You know, it goes back and forth. So try to program this, failed again. I don't know if someone tampered with the data, but this data was then corrupted after that. So we had it after the fact. We tried to fix the information. It was just to no avail. Eventually got a second brand new Kessy, which according to Bentley comes pre-programmed. It says already programmed on the box. That's not the case. These don't come programmed. If you bought the whole kit, right? Because what they basically said, if you don't have matching, then you need to replace the keys, you need to replace the Kessy, you need to replace the steering lock, and you need to replace both DMEs for the engine computer to get it running again. They sell it as a kit, as a complete mobilizer, and they reissue a new mobilizer ID to the car. So we got the brand new Kessy, read the information out of it, blank. It's not programmed. So we went through all of the steps and basically recovered the data enough that we pre-programmed these keys, and then that allowed us to be able to program the brand new Kessy. So if you ever have an issue where your data is corrupted and you have a problem where you need to try to recover it, like case number 1 right here, we can help fix it. So what we need is the Kessy, the steering lock, the engine computer, at least one of them, and then the keys to program it. So we got everything working here. Definitely a nightmare job, and it took us a while to figure this out. I can't really go into the details of what I did to do it, but it's definitely possible to get this thing fixed. Let me go up to... So we got 2 keys programmed into memory. Everything was successful. You can see here the steering lock is working. Pull the key out, the key back in. Oh yeah, another fun fact. Usually Bentley wants you to program 3 keys at once. They make you do 3 at a time, and that's a lot of times why they'll call locksmiths to come out and program 1 additional key versus 3 at the dealer. And it has to be, I think, ordered from England. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you come into this problem personally, you need some help, you can reach out to us and we can get you sorted, okay? Thanks guys, talk to you soon, bye.